Hi guys, welcome to NİKSAR TV channel. How are you today? I hope you are well. Today I will try to tell you what a Windows license is. I think it will be useful for you. To support our channel, please subscribe and write your comments and opinions that are very valuable to us. What is the Windows license code? When you receive your copy of Windows 10 or Windows 11, you'll need a 25-character product key or a digital license to activate your device. A digital license is an activation method that requires you to enter a product key in Windows 10 and Windows 11. You cannot activate your device without one of these. We're guided by the Windows 10/Windows 11 code key. To purchase a Windows code, you can purchase it securely from the link you see below.